Today, we're going to explore the most terrifying places in the entire universe. Not just places where you would die, but places where the very idea of survival stops making sense. Regions where time breaks, where matter is torn apart, where gravity becomes so strong that even light is trapped, and where the laws of physics themselves begin to fail. These are not just dangerous places. They are places that rewrite what it even means to exist. And number one on this list is so extreme that science itself still doesn't fully understand what actually happens there. This is Universe Uncovered. Space is often shown as calm and beautiful. Peaceful stars, silent galaxies, a quiet, endless ocean of light. But the truth is very different. The universe is violent. It is chaotic. And almost every part of it is hostile to life. Earth is not the rule. It is the exception. So today, we're going to count down the top 10 scariest places in the universe and what would actually happen to you if you were anywhere near them. Let's begin. Number 10. The Boötes Void. At first, this might sound harmless. It's just empty space. But the Boötes Void is not just a little empty. It is one of the largest known empty regions of the universe, spanning hundreds of millions of light years. Inside this region, there are almost no galaxies, almost no stars, and almost no matter at all. If you somehow found yourself here, you wouldn't see much of anything. No bright stars, no galaxies, no familiar shapes, just endless darkness in every direction. And that is exactly what makes it terrifying. There would be no sense of movement, no sense of progress, no way to tell if you were even going anywhere. You wouldn't freeze or burn. You would simply drift and drift and drift. For millions of years, you would never reach anything. No planets, no stars, no light. Just infinite isolation, not a dramatic death, not even a quick one, just eternal nothingness. Number 9. The surface of Venus. Venus is often called Earth's twin. But if Earth is a garden, Venus is a furnace. The surface temperature is hot enough to melt lead. The air pressure is more than 90 times stronger than Earth's, and the atmosphere is filled with clouds of sulfuric acid. If you appeared on Venus, the pressure alone would crush your body almost instantly. Your lungs would collapse, your blood would boil, and at the same time, the heat would cook you alive. Even robotic landers only survive for minutes before being destroyed. There is no shelter, no safe spot, no way to survive even for a short time. Venus is proof that two planets can start almost the same and end up as completely different nightmares. Number 8. A neutron star. A neutron star is what remains after a massive star dies and collapses. It is one of the densest objects in the universe. A single teaspoon of neutron star material would weigh billions of tons. If you got close to one, gravity would begin to stretch your body into a long, thin stream of atoms in a process called spaghettification. But even before that happens, the radiation would kill you instantly. And if you somehow survived that, the magnetic fields are so powerful that they would rip apart the very structure of your atoms. Touching the surface would not be like hitting a solid object. It would be like being compressed into nuclear matter. You wouldn't be crushed. You would be rewritten. Number 7. The center of the Milky Way. At the heart of our galaxy lies a supermassive black hole called Sagittarius, a star. But the black hole itself is not the only danger. The entire region around it is one of the most violent places in our galaxy. Stars here are born and destroyed at incredible rates. Massive shock waves travel through space. Radiation floods the region. Gravity constantly pulls objects into unstable, deadly orbits. Any planet near the galactic center would be bombarded by lethal energy and cosmic chaos. This is not a place where life can quietly exist. It is a cosmic war zone. Number 6. A gamma-ray burst impact zone. Gamma-ray bursts are the most powerful explosions in the universe since the Big Bang. For a few seconds, they can release more energy than our sun will emit in its entire lifetime. If one were aimed at Earth, It could strip away the atmosphere and cause a mass extinction in seconds. Being anywhere near the source is far worse. The radiation would destroy molecules, atoms, and even the structure of matter itself. You wouldn't burn, you wouldn't feel pain. You would simply stop existing. Number 5. The Great Attractor. Somewhere in space, there is a massive, invisible region that is pulling entire clusters of galaxies toward it. We can't see it directly. We only see its effects. Something unimaginably massive is hiding there. If you were near whatever lies at its center, the gravity would tear apart stars, planets, and entire solar systems. It's like a cosmic predator hiding behind a curtain of dust and distance. We don't even fully know what it is, and that makes it even more terrifying. Number 4. The event horizon of a black hole. The event horizon is the point of no return. Once you cross it, escape is impossible. From far away, someone watching you would see you slow down and freeze in time. But from your own perspective, you would fall in. Gravity would stretch you, compress you, tear you apart. Time itself begins to behave strangely. Space bends. The rules of physics start to collapse. And whatever happens after that, we don't really know. Number 3. The core of a supernova. When a massive star explodes, it becomes a supernova. For a brief moment, it can shine brighter than an entire galaxy. Temperatures reach billions of degrees. Shock waves tear through space. Matter is blasted apart at incredible speeds. Being anywhere near the core of this explosion means total, instant destruction. There is no survival scenario, no escape, no remains. Number 2. The early universe. Just after the Big Bang, the universe was not a place in any normal sense. It was a seething ocean of energy. Temperatures were so high that atoms could not exist. Matter and energy were almost the same thing. If you could somehow appear there, you wouldn't burn or freeze. You simply wouldn't be able to exist at all. The universe itself was too extreme for structure, for form, for anything familiar. And finally, number 1. Inside a black hole. This is the scariest place in the universe because it is the ultimate unknown. Inside a black hole, space and time swap roles. Gravity becomes infinite. The laws of physics break. You are crushed into a singularity, or maybe something even stranger happens. Some theories suggest other universes. Some suggest time loops. Some suggest total annihilation. We don't know, and that is what makes it the most terrifying place of all. The universe is beautiful, but it is also unimaginably dangerous. And the more we learn, the more we realize how fragile our little world really is. Thanks for watching. And if you want to explore more of the universe's darkest secrets, make sure to subscribe. This was